to all the kids who've got your certificates. I wish I had started learning languages really as young as some of the children here. I think it's a brilliant, brilliant thing to do. I know today is also a special day because it's 20 years since Mint was founded. So thank you and congratulations to Moisa and to Gregor. Thank you. International House in the UK, which is a really, really great foundation for language learning. But most of all, I'm especially glad that lots of the kids who had certificates today are for English, right? Yes. Very good language to learn, very good choice. I think that English is a lot easier than Slovene. But then when I see this, I think, oh, that looks so complicated. But English is a lovely language, so I hope you're all enjoying everything who's learning. And keep it up.